Hello, it's a pleasure to be with you. I would love to invite you to an encore presentation of my signature workshop, Discover Your Purpose. Here's what I figured out. Today didn't work out for a lot of you. I think it was the time, and I get it. So that's why I immediately changed gears and set up an encore for tomorrow, September 1st. It's at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So later in the day, and I hope that it works much better for you. And the other thing that you should know is that everything that I do based in my background of living in the corporate world and being a senior executive, as well as spending 20 years as an entrepreneur, 20 years coaching people to discover their purpose, is this. It has to be practical. So my workshop is going to give you real tools, real tips, and you will walk away gaining new knowledge about yourself, greater clarity and confidence in the direction of your purpose. So I would love to have you join me. You're already registered, so there's nothing you have to do except save this email, click tomorrow at 5 minutes until the time, and there you go, you're in. And I know that you're going to walk away from something. So I would love to see you there. Peace, everybody.